In front of me is Cubot Note 50, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access, Passwords and Accounts. Then tap on this gear next to Google under Autofill service and select Google Password Manager. Finally, just click on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Then tap on Edit next to Delete and change wherever you want to. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that my password was successfully changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!